Hi everyone, it's a day 60. Uh, I guess it's 61. So, yesterday and day before yesterday, I didn't do the work. I was some kind busy and has a health issue. So now, it's let's begin with the day 61. And what's the agenda for today? So we left over at a point where we were doing the feature enhancement based on the problem statement, and we defined that in Jira too. So you can see in the Jira, we have completed the profile. We have not completed the profile update, but we have completed the user marking for review, comment section, and search feature. Today we will be doing more or less about email template. So what the email need to be sent first? First we need to remember, we need to understand that. Then based on that we need to make our those sort of thing. So let's make email template above all of these things because that are that require some different kind of design. I'm just copy pasting it to make have a page design already available. Now it's a basic template which is ready, and this is wireframe for email. So email should contain some basic email and then a file in format of a file or something where one can read that email as well. So let's say there is a text box or there is some form of this is available. And again, two section. First where we first which has a blocks. So let's say it have a line it could have simple structure like this where now let's look here. Now let's say it should be of 14 my posts and similarly let's say it is here as well. And here it will be likes, new comments, and It has some sort of number, so let's those thing. Let's say this says 5, two hundred. Now let's a new comment is 35, and here it should be the content, and it has some sort of text box. Which will be Social Connect weekly report. It has some kind of message. This is your weekly report on your account at the rate dot dot dot. Kindly look into it. Got Social Connect. It's a simple sober design, and we will use a similar kind of thing here. Instead of radial, it should be similar to this. So again, It will be simple like this, and this is the template for email login. So we will also make this here as well. So I hope that is enough for today. We have made a wireframe for email template and UI for that. So let's mark it in the Jira first. Email template done. And what we can do next? We can do next is that profile update, where we will update those things, enhance those features. So that's all for today, and we'll come back tomorrow with the work on profile update, and then we will move towards my post and admin section. I hope that is clear, and that learn is fun and enjoyable. Thank you.